So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal relationship reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 13th till the 19th of April 2026. Roles can be reversed also, roles can be reversed also. And if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to force yourself to fit into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are definitely not for you. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Libra, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, this present moment. Let's see. Just your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. So we have the Hanged Man. This is someone who is trying to see things from a totally different perspective. This is someone who is stuck on the situation, but this stuckness, or you can say this not being able to move forward kind of energy, is giving them the time and space to see things from a different angle, from a different perspective. Let's clarify the Hanged Man as their feelings for you. So we have the Empress, the Ten of Swords, and the Eight of Swords. Okay, so there is something that ended here. There's no more growth and expansion happening in the situation. There's no love left in the situation anymore. And this person is feeling like they're mentally trapped and they're in some kind of mental jail. They can't stop thinking about the situation, but in a negative way. So they're feeling stuck and mentally trapped in the situation because something is over or something is not working out anymore. Okay, so it feels like this is end of a chapter. This is some kind of separation or breakup maybe. Or for others of you, even if you guys are living together, things are not the same, and they're feeling like they're trapped in the situation, although they feel like coming out, but they can't. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? We have the Six of Cups. From your side, you feel like you're missing this person, you're missing their presence, you're missing this bond, and you still feel like you guys have a strong spiritual kind of connection. For some of you, you guys might feel like you guys know each other from many lifetimes, so you guys feel a very deep rooted kind of soul based connection with this person. You still miss them, you miss their energies, you miss this bond. Let's clarify the Six of Cups as your feelings for this particular person or situation, Libra. Let's see. So we have the Ten of Wands and the Seven of Pentacles and the Seven of Wands. You know, you feel like mm, you guys have to drop this situation right now just because of the burdensome and heavy energies that this situation carry. But you feel like waiting and watching and hoping for the time when you guys will be able to do something about the situation. Right now, you guys are feeling blocked. Either they have blocked you or you have blocked them, or there is some kind of blockages or challenges in the situation that is stopping you from moving forward in this direction. Even if you want to, you still care for them, you still love them, you still have this feeling of wanting to have a reconnection with them, but there are lots of obstacles and challenges on the blockages on the path on the way of reconnection. But you're still hoping and waiting for the best to happen in this situation at some point of time, not immediately maybe, but eventually. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? We have the Ace of Pentacles. This is somebody who wants a fresh start, like a fresh, clean slate kind of energy. Okay, let me clarify if it is with you or in general, they feel like they want to move forward and towards something new or someone new. Let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles as this person's intentions towards this particular situation. Let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Four of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles. You know, this person wants to make up for the lost days. Okay. If you guys are already married to each other or in a very serious kind of a relationship with each other, this person wants to get out of this victim mode. They just want to count on their blessings now. They just want you also to count on your blessings rather than focusing on the negatives. They want to bring the balance back in the situation, back in this commitment or in this marriage or in this solid committed relationship. So this is somebody who wants to start fresh with a clean slate kind of energy, and they want to bring the balance back in this situation and create something really meaningful between you and them so that you guys can move forward and not being stuck in this energy forever. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Hierophant. Okay, you want a divine union, a divine connection, a soulmate kind of energy, or somebody with whom you are going to feel a very spiritual kind of bond or connection with. For most of you, this is related to marriage. You guys are already married or uh, nearby married, right? This is a very specific reading today. You want to like save this marriage, save this commitment. It's very, very important for you guys. Something related to some kind of cultural background or group of people who are going to get influenced because of the situation. You guys want to keep them also in your mind. Hmm? Okay, it's a very specific kind of reading today. Let's clarify the Hierophant as your intentions here, Libra. We have the King of Pentacles, the World card, and the Four of Pentacles. You know, you just want to handle the situation with a lot of maturity, and you just want to take help from somebody, not literal help maybe, but you definitely want to take advice from somebody, like who's a father figure kind of a person in your life, father figure, mother figure, who is elder, who have this potential to resolve these kind of issues. Okay, so you don't want to hold back, you don't want to hold on to this regret for the rest of your life that you never tried. You want to try your best, you want to give your best with the help of someone around you who is actually a very helping energy to you and to the situation. And then you want to handle the situation with a lot of maturity and groundedness and understanding that, okay, sometimes shit happens, but we have to do things in the right ways. Awesome. Good energy. So you want to save this bond. Okay. They also want this equal give and take of energy. So both of you are on the same page when it comes to the intentions. Okay. Feeling wise, one of you is feeling like this situation is kind of done and there's nothing left in the situation anymore, like love or compassion or that kind of energy. And one of you is feeling like, okay, this can still be sorted, but it's going to take time. Let's see what could be the potential outcome here. Now, the outcome that I am telling you guys, it can be totally different based on your free will, based on your actions, based on what you are going to do or the other person is going to do, right? I'm just telling you the potential outcome. That's why we call it potential outcome, like what can happen. But you guys can definitely change the outcomes. You have a free will and you have your own senses also. Knight of Swords has the potential outcome. Somebody rushing towards you in a very, very restless kind of energy. So the roles can be reversed also. It can be you also rushing towards somebody in a very restless kind of energy. Like you guys are going to feel like you can't handle it anymore, you can't hold back anymore. So one of you is being restless and charging on the other person here, like, I want answers, I want to talk to you. Okay, let's clarify the Knight of Swords as the potential outcome for you guys. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, and the Ace of Swords, right? So somebody here is connecting with you to start this chapter like a friendship kind of a deal with you, and to handle this situation with a lot of compassion, with a lot of understanding, with a lot of maturity, and then clearing the air with you in some way, so that you guys can start or restart this chapter with the truthfulness and the clarity and understanding of what the situation is going to be from this point onwards, and how the situation is going to proceed between you and this particular person. Okay, now I do see like three court cards here. So it can be possible, very much possible, that you guys are going to take help from somebody, or somebody is going to be a mediator between you guys directly or indirectly, so that you guys can clear the air with each other. It seems like to me like as if like like just an example that you guys are married and some kind of issues happened, and you guys are living separately. It's just an example. And then one of your family member, like your mother or father or theirs, is the mediator, and you guys are talking to each other. The mediator is in between and they're giving you good advice, and then you guys are going to come to the conclusion of, okay, this is the clarity and the truth about the situation, and from this point onwards this is going to be like this. That's the kind of outcome I'm getting from this situation. Third energy is there to help in the situation. Okay, mostly for most of you. Let's see the guidance here. It's like finding a middle ground. Guidance here for you guys for this week, Libra. We have the Three of Cups and the Justice and the Queen of Pentacles. Yes, this collaboration, this partnership, this coming together, coming back together is really like it can be possible, very much possible. All you guys have to do from both the sides is to be fair, is to be honest with each other, with the your own selves, and then this situation is recoverable. The situation is something that can be easily, not easily maybe, that can be brought back to normal. The situation has the potential to be restored in a very, very positive, loving, and caring way. But what you guys have to do from your side is to be very, very honest and just do the right thing, whatever it means. Balance restored can mean that, okay, you guys are taking a break from each other for some time. Balance restored can mean that you guys are coming back together in a positive way without any kind of regrets or guilt or revengeful or hateful kind of energies towards each other. Take it how it resonates with you, but there are good chances of balance being restored in a situation in a very, very proper way, the way of justice. And from your side, honesty is recommended and required. Hmm? Brutal honesty. Then this thing can be like managed easily. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Libra. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, you can take the message as a guidance for that situation of yours. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is let go. Maybe let go of the ego, let go of something that's not serving this connection in a good way. At first glance, this card might seem to be suggesting that you give up your current pursuit, but that is not the message. Instead, it suggests that you let go of your attachment to the subject of your question and cease clinging, striving, and grasping. The let go card asks you to learn to love with an open hand, let universal flow come and go as it desires, and trust all is for your highest good. Something that is held and squeezed and restricted cannot grow or flourish. Release your troubles and desires to the divine and trust in spirit to find the perfect solution in the perfect time. I don't think so. There's a spirit helping us, but trust in divine, that is for sure. Okay. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.